Did you know that hard and soft credit inquiries affect your score differently? While one can lower your score significantly and the other doesn't affect your score at all. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to the Biznezz Academy. On this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. We are your go-to hub for everything credit, business credit and personal credit. And once you get that personal credit, great. You start that business, build that business credibility, get business credit to fund that business, then we can help you get the money. Listen, guys, if this is your first time here, hey, please don't let it be your last. And if you've been coming here watching this channel and this is not your first or second time, what's holding you up from subscribing to this channel? Listen, when you subscribe to this channel, every time a new video is uploaded, like this new video, you'll be notified. All I ask is that you get your pen and paper ready to take notes. In today's video, I am going to share with you the difference between a hard credit inquiry and a soft credit inquiry. And I'm going to share with you five important roles that hard credit inquiries play on your credit report. Get your pen and paper ready, guys, and take notes. And one more thing. Listen, most people think that it is all about your FICO score. And in fact, that's not completely true. It's great to have a 700 plus FICO score. However, if you have a lot of hard inquiries, that could be the factor that determines whether you are approved or denied when it comes to obtaining funds, a mortgage, getting a job, lower insurance rate, or the difference between a high credit card interest rate or personal loan rate and a low rating. Get your pen and paper ready. A hard credit inquiry happens when you apply for something, and that's when that lender or creditor pulls your credit report to determine if they're going to deny you or approve you. And that hard inquiry stays on your credit for 2 years. On the other hand, a soft inquiry is when you check your credit yourself to find out how you're doing, if there's any discrepancies, or if someone pulls your credit like a background check for a job. Now, the soft inquiries do not go against you, meaning it does not affect your report. You got it? Hard inquiry when you apply for something, and a soft inquiry when you check your credit yourself, or it's like someone does a background check. Two different things. 5 key ways that hard inquiries affect your credit score. Number 1, credit score impact. Let me break this down. Every time you apply for credit, your credit score can be impacted by maybe a few points to up to 10 points or more, depending on which hard inquiry or how many hard inquiries that you've done. So that's the first, is your credit score impact. Number 2, hard inquiries can affect getting approved. Now, having too many hard inquiries, usually having 5 or more hard inquiries, will affect your chances of being approved for anything that you apply for, because it tells the creditors, red alert, this person's desperate for money and we need to take a step back and not approve them. And not only that, 5 or more credit inquiries affect your profile. It makes you look desperate, thirsty, like, why are they applying for so much credit? What's going on? Are they going to apply and then eventually claim bankruptcy? But it's a red flag. It brings up a red flag to creditors that you are applying for. Not a good look. Number 3, better money management. Knowing how hard inquiries affect your credit so you can plan to space out how you apply for applications. So when you apply for applications, so you know the hard credit inquiries stay on your credit for 2 years. You also know that 5 or more hard credit inquiries are a red flag it brings up a red flag when you're applying for any type of funding or any type of credit, or if you want a credit approval. So you need to know how to space out the application, not to apply for more than 5, keep it under 5. And this protects your credit score. Number 4, avoid unnecessary inquiries, meaning not applying for every 10% off credit card in department stores. Understanding, being versed about the hard inquiries are very, very important. And number 5, business credit strategy. What this means is that if you are a business owner and you are building your business credibility, but you're also focusing on strengthening your your personal credit, you need to have a strategy, because at some point you're going to have to lean on your personal credit to access the funds, larger amounts of funds for your business. So just having a strategy and knowing the ins and outs of the roles that hard inquiries play, avoiding having a lot of hard inquiries on your credit report. You guys, listen, I had no idea many years ago why I was getting denied when I would apply for credit when my credit score was over 700. I didn't understand the importance of having less than 5 hard inquiries and being strategic with planning with when I should apply for something. But instead, I was applying for a 0% credit card or personal loan or this, that, and the other, because I thought my credit was so great that I would get approved, but instead I was declined. And what I learned is the importance of having a great profile, not just a high number in the 700s, but a profile that has less than 5 hard inquiries, making sure that all of my information was consistent, making sure that I monitored my credit report quarterly. These are important things that you need to do. You guys, listen, if you want to grow and scale your business, and if you plan to access funds, which at some point you're going to need to, no matter how profitable your business is, having access to funds to grow and scale is essential to succeeding in business. So as I'm saying it's important to learn how beneficial it is to having a sturdy personal credit score, as well as establishing business credit, and marry them together, bringing them together so that you're actually able to get the funds that you need. Hard inquiries are very important to know. They stay on your credit for 2 years. And can you imagine having 5 hard inquiries, having a 700 credit score, and applying for funds that you need for your business to market, to hire, to buy equipment for your business, and you're not able to be approved because those hard inquiries are affecting your credit score, or getting approved for a business loan that offers a high interest rate that affects your payment. That's why it's important to understand the roles that hard inquiries play. You got it? Listen, guys, if you would like to get on a free strategy call to discuss how I can assist you with improving your credit score, helping you get certain discrepancies off of your personal credit score so that you can start an LLC, you can build the business credibility, and then go after the funds. If you're interested in that, why don't you click the link below? We can get on a free strategy call. We can talk about if this is going to be a great fit, that we can work together. I can coach you so you can succeed in getting the funds that you need. Why don't you go ahead and do that? And listen, guys, if you have any questions, any suggestions, or any topics that you would like me to discuss on funding, business credit, personal credit, go ahead and click below. And until next time, guys, when you win, I win, and we win together. Make that shmoney, strategize, make wise decisions, and love you.